guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you will be notified on the next math lesson. Then, like and share so that you can also help other students. Our topic for today is to divide 3 and 4 dividends. You are going to learn it here, the easy way. We are going to learn today how to divide up to 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Let us recall first the parts of the division. 251 divided by 5 is equal to 50, remainder 1. 251 is the dividend, 5 is the divisor, 50 is the quotient, and 1 is the remainder. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. 587 divided by 4. I want you to recall our key in division before. Divide, then multiply, subtract, and finally bring down. Okay, let us practice. First, we are going to divide. How many 4 are there in 5? There's 1 4 in 5. So, we finish the divide. Let us multiply. We're going to multiply the quotient with the divisor. 1 times 4 is 4. After divide and multiply, we will move to subtract. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. Next, we are going to bring down the 8. So, we have 18. Afterwards, we need to divide again. How many 4 are there in 18? There's 4 in 18. Then, we are going to multiply the quotient and the divisor again. 4 times 4 is 16. Subsequently, we are going to subtract again. 18 minus 16 is 2. Thereupon, we're going to bring down the 7. And we're going to have 27. Eventually, we are going to divide again. How many 4 are there in 27? We have 6 4 in 27. Furthermore, we are going to multiply again the 6 by the divisor 4. 6 times 4 is 24. Then, we are going to subtract 24 from 27. 27 minus 24 is 3. Accordingly, 587 divided by 4 will give us 146, remainder 3. Let us work on another example so that you can understand it well. 693 divided by 3. The steps will always be the same. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Don't forget, okay? First, we are going to divide. How many 3 are there in 6? There's 2 3 in 6. Next, we are going to multiply the quotient with the divisor. 2 times 3 is 6. Afterwards, we're going to subtract 6 from 6 and it will give us 0. Subsequently, we have to bring down the 9. Then, we are going to divide again. How many 3 are there in 9? There are 3 3s in 9. Then, we are going to multiply the quotient with the divisor. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Afterwards, we're going to subtract 9 from 9, which will give us 0. Thereupon, we are going to bring down the 3, which is the last number in the dividend. Then, we are going to divide again. How many 3 are there in 3? We have 1 3 in 3. Thereupon, we're going to multiply the quotient 1 with the divisor 3, which will give us 3. And we are going to subtract again 3 from 3, which will give us 0. Since we finished dividing all the numbers in the dividend with the divisor, therefore, 693 divided by 3 will give us 231. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. 4,500 divided by 4. Just remember, the steps will always be the same. Let us divide first. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. Next, we are going to multiply the quotient with the divisor. Accordingly, 1 times 4 is 4. Later, we're going to subtract 4 minus 4, which will give us 0. The next step after subtraction is bring down. Therefore, we are going to bring down the 5. Then, we are going to divide again. How many 4 are there in 5? There is 1 4 in 5. Afterwards, we're going to multiply the quotient 1 with the divisor 4. 1 times 4 is 4. After multiplication, we are going to subtract 4 from 5, which will give us 1. Next, we are going to bring down the 0. And it will give us 10. Therefore, we are going to divide again. How many 4 are there in 10? There's 2 4 in 10. Furthermore, we're going to multiply the quotient with the divisor 4. 2 times 4 will give us 8. Then, we are going to subtract 8 from 10, which will give us 2. Afterwards, we are going to bring down the 0, which is the last number in the dividend. And it will give us 20. Moreover, we are going to divide again. How many 4 are there in 20? There is 5 4 in 20. Then, we are going to multiply again the quotient 5 with the divisor 4. 4 times 5 is 20. Next, we are going to subtract 20 from 20, which will give us 0. Accordingly, we finish all the numbers in the dividend that will be divided with the divisor 4. Therefore, 4,500 divided by 4 will give us 1,125. To wrap it up in dividing numbers, either the dividend is 1 digit, 2 digit, up to 4 digit, the steps will always be the same. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Then, if you still have numbers in the dividend, repeat the process. Divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Okay? Don't forget it. Positive thinking is vital to success. This is according to His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE and ruler of Dubai. His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum has a book regarding happiness and positivity. The key to the thinking of Sheikh Mohammed is his blazing confidence that we can all make a difference and that the total outcome of all our combined efforts will be much more than the sum of the individual commitment. That is why positive thinking is really a vital to success. You see guys, that is from our UAE leader. Be positive. We need to put in the forefront of our mind that if others can, we can also. If we are going to think positively, we're going to be successful and healthy, like what Sheikh Mohammed said. Likewise, education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. This is according to His Excellency Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan. May his soul rest in eternal peace. We need to give importance to our education so that we're not going to be blindfolded in our future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again, watch it carefully, slowly, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you to score high in math, then be wise and healthy, okay? Till next math lesson. Bye-bye!